vertex. So the vertex here, h, is the opposite of -1, so that's 1. And then we keep the sign of 9. Axis of symmetry is that x equals 1. The y-intercept, you can use your standard form, which is right here, or you can use this form up here. So again, your y-intercept is just this number out here. And the reason is if x is 0, then everything becomes 0 except for that number. So my y-intercept is at 0, 8. My x-intercept, you can also use this form and try to factor, or you can use the standard form. I'm going to go ahead and use the standard form. Okay, so we let this be 0. I'm going to subtract 9 on both sides. Divide by -1. So I get 9 is x minus 1 squared. Take the square root. The square root and the 2 become a 1, so they cancel basically. Square root of 9 is plus or minus 3. We're going to add 1. So we get 1 plus or minus 3. So one answer is x equals 1 plus 3, and the other is 1 minus 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4, 1 minus 3 is -2. So my x-intercepts are x equals 4 and x equals -2. Okay, we can plot this. X equals 4 and x equals -2. The y-intercept is at 0, 8. No, yeah, 0, 8. So up here. And the vertex is at 1 and 9. So a little bit further out. Notice that we have a negative in front of the x squared. So that means that this should open down. And the axis of symmetry is this line here. Okay, the domain is all real numbers since we're using all the x's. And then the range, the lowest value for x that we're using is the -infinity down here. And it goes up to the highest point for y, which is going to be 9.